Greetings everyone and welcome to another video on my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a piano tutorial for the song Ebenezer by Mmuso Worship featuring Once More 6 Busisibia, and I think it's that one's Younger something. So I've actually done a cover for the song already, but then for some reason Mmuso Worship or whoever produces their videos, they have said the videos has copyright infringements, whatever. So usually some people that still allow my video to be up even though it's not monetized, but then for them they've just completely outright blocked my video. I have disputed, but these things are 50-50. Sometimes they don't even review it, and then within 30 days the video goes out, and then other times they review it and say, hey, this is copyright, and yeah, they don't allow the video to go out. And sometimes they review it and then they allow my videos to be monetized. But for me, if they had at least just let the video be out, so I would have been happy that at least you guys can see it, even though I'm not making money for it. But it's all good and well. It is gospel music, but I guess they still want to get paid, so it is what it is. So yeah, let's start it. There's 4 parts I'm going to be showing you guys. We're in the key of A flat. Right, so the introduction, we start with the introduction. It sounds like this. Then it goes into the verse. So what am I playing there? Both hands are going to be playing a 7-1-5, right? Then you're going to be playing a 6-7 flat 4. Then after you play this, you have to quickly go to 1, 2, 3, 4. But then in this pattern, so if you imagine the timing being that the beats as a not in my head would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Right? Then 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, and that's it, right? Alright, so that's the introduction there. Once again, all together. Now we go to the verse. Sorry, then it goes 1 7 1 5 1 4 1 3 1 2. Then we go into the verse. Right, so now we go into the verse, and it goes like this. Play this chord over here. Left hand's playing a 1-5-3, or you can even just do a 1, just doing a 1 octave, or you can do a 1-5-3. Right hand's playing a 7-2-3-5. Second time. Right? You can do left hand can do a 3-1-3 or 3-1-2, up to you. Then right hand's gonna be doing a 5-1-2-5. Yeah, so what? First time. Right? Then right, so left hand's doing a 4-1-3, or we're doing a 4 chord here, so you can do like even a, you can do a 4-1-3 left hand or 4-1-4 left hand, and right hand you're doing a 6-1-2-5, or you can just do a 5-6-1 or a 6-1-4, because we're doing a 4 chord, right? Right? Left hand's not doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 1-4-5-1. Yeah. Resolve back to a 1. Left hand 1-5-1, right hand 2-3-5-1. Right? So so remember I said we're playing right? And then as like a passing chord in between, you're gonna do 2-3 octave apart to the right hand. Then 4 right? Then ogo ba right. So I'll repeat it one more time. Ga benga felendelen, ga benga felendelen, ogo ba. And that's how the verse goes of the song. Pretty easy, right? Now the chorus part is like this. Ebenezer, right? So if you listen to how the melody goes, it's going Ebenezer, Ebenezer, right? But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna play where it resolves to, and what I mean by that is all we're gonna play is Ebenezer, because we're revolving from the 4 to the 1, right? So Ebenezer, so left hand's playing a 1-5-1, right hand's playing a 3-5-7-3. Ebenezer, Ebenezer. So we play a 1, now we're playing a 3. Left hand's playing a 3-1-2, right hand's playing a 5-1-2-5. Ebenezer. 3-6-7, right? The Lord. So left hand's playing a 6-3-5-6, or you can just do a 6-3-6, or just a 6 alone. The Lord, right? Right hand's doing a 3-6-1. The Lord has been. Now left hand's doing a 7-5-7, right hand's doing a 2-5-7. The Lord has been the my is left hand's playing a 5-flat-6, right hand's doing a 1-3-6. The Lord has been. Left hand's doing a 5-octave, right hand's doing a 6-7-2-5, right? The Lord has been my help. Then we go again, Ebenezer. But then now left hand's doing a 3-1-3, right hand's doing a 5-1-2-5. Then the second time, Ebenezer. We're doing a 4 chord. Left hand's doing a 4-1-4, right hand's doing a 5-6-1-5. Ebenezer. Now 2-3. Then we play this chord over here where left hand's doing a 2-1-2, right hand's doing a 6-flat-1-4. The Lord has, the Lord. Left hand's doing a 5-octave, right hand's doing a 3-5-1-3. The Lord has been. Why do the Lord has been? So the Lord has, left hand's doing a 2-1-2, right hand's doing a 5-flat-6-1-3. Has been. Now left hand's doing a 5-octave, right hand's doing a 1-4-5-1. My help. Resolve it back to the 1. So left hand's doing a 1-5-1, right hand's doing a 2-3-5-1. So let's repeat everything we learned there for the chorus part. Ebenezer, so Ebenezer, Ebenezer. Then the bridge part, we're gonna play this. We are doing a so it goes sorry, I'm looking at the lyrics. left hand's playing a 3 octave, or you can add the 1. Right hand's playing a 5, 1, 2, 5. So technically we're playing a 3 chord here, right? So we're playing Hayandi Naluva. So the Nalu, left hand's playing a 4, 1, 4. Right hand's playing a 5, 6, 1, 4. Or you can do 4 and 4. Right hand you can do a 6, 1, 5, right? But you can also just add that 5 with your right hand or the 5 with your left hand, meaning your left hand, instead of doing a 4, 1, 4, you can do a 4, 1, 5, then right hand play that 6, 1, 5. So or you can just do a 4, 1, 4 and then play this or that, right? It's all up to you. So we got let's just keep it simple. Left hand's gonna do a 5 octave, right hand's gonna do a 5, 1, 3. Right? Then the Uyandina Gegela is a 6 chord. You can voice it like this, where left hand's playing a 6, 3, 6, right hand's playing a 7, 1, 3, 6. Or you can voice it like left hand's just playing your typical 3, 6, 1. Right? Then left hand's now playing a 5, 4, 5, and right hand's playing a 6, 1, 4, 5. So left hand's playing a 1, 5, 1, right hand's doing a 2, 3, 5, 1. Then you just repeat it again, right? So that's how that part goes. The entire song here, but I want to just show you a few things which you can do at the chorus section, which I did in the video which you guys haven't seen. So what I want to show you is something. What I was playing was this, right? So eventually you go, so the Lord has been my help, Ebenezer, Ebenezer, Lord has been my help. So what I play sometimes is this. So the Lord has been my help. What I'm doing is I'm doing some passing chords, like almost like a 5, 1, 4, because we're going from remember the Lord has been my help. We're going from a 3 to a 4, right? So since I'm going from a 3 to 4, what I was doing is a 3, 5, 1, then play the 4, right? Because I know I'm going to a 4, so I played a 5, 1, 4. But let me just break that down for you, for those of you guys who didn't really catch that. So the Lord has been my help, right? Then we're going to 3 chords. What I'm playing is this 4, 5. Left hand's doing a 5, 6. Right hand's doing a 1, 4, 6. Left hand's doing a 4, 7. Right hand's doing a 2, 5, 7. Left hand's doing a 3, 1. Right hand's doing a 2, 3, 5, 1. Now left hand's doing, you can do this, right? You can do a, okay, yeah. So what you can do is you can do this. Left hand can play just a 1, 5, then right hand's playing a 7 flat, 2, 4, 6. Then drop that 5 to a 3, then right hand, and you drop the 5 to a 3 in your left hand, then your right hand drop that 4 to the 3. Or you can play the 4 chord in your left hand, 1, 2, 4, 5. Then right hand, same thing. And then both hands, they're playing the 4, drop the 4 to a 3. Right? Ebenezer, right? So left hand's doing that 4-1-4, right hand's doing that 5-6-1-5. Or as I said, you can drop the 5 on your right hand and just play a 6-1-4. And maybe if you want to adjust the 4 to the 5 on your right hand, it's up to you, right? Left hand we're playing a 2, right hand we're playing a 6 flat 1 2 5 if you want to. Now left hand's doing a 4, right hand's doing a 4 6 flat 1 2. Left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 2 3 5 1. Lord has been. Left hand's doing a 2 1, right hand's doing a 5 flat 6 1 3. Has been. Left hand's doing a 5 2 5, right hand's doing a 1 4 5 1. My help, right? 1 5 1 2 3 5 1, right hand, right? So that's the entire song there. I've done a lot of things here, but hopefully you guys picked up what you could. Till next time, guys, stay blessed.